Hour of glory, we would like to thank UT for the commendable contributions they have made towards the success of my son. In fact, we would like to make a very honest confession that in October, November, we had serious reservations about Kirtan. But at every stage, the kind of evaluation UT has done in the tests, we realized that we were actually whatever guidance we were giving him, we are on the right track. And Kirtan realized, because of the evaluation, flawless evaluation made by UT at every stage after the test, that he's realized his mistakes and he started accelerating towards the right path. And because of the contributions made by UT, today he has secured very high marks, A1 in all the exams, all the subjects.
UT has really helped me a lot, and especially the doubt sessions have helped me clear all my doubts in all subjects, and the test series has really helped me a lot.